Hello everyone, I am Dr. RMD. You know me by now. Few days back I had released NEET PG mentorship for 2020-27 NEET PG, okay? Because in that I had discussed strategy and I also released mentorship. So I got a lot of comments in the comment section like, why isn't there such a separate batch for NEET PG 2026? Well, in fact, there was a batch which I started from November 2025. We had started along with that, and then we intensified it from January 20 to 2026. There were around 300 students who were part of this batch, and I had to divide the batches into three sections. That is an old batch, a new batch, and an extended batch, because there was so much demand from students because of the in part because of the type of schedule I make for students and the daily live session. I think that was the most interesting part, because there is no other platform where daily live sessions take place, daily doubt clearing, daily interaction, daily strategy discussion. That doesn't take place anywhere. So basically, what was the reason behind this mentorship, why I started mentorship was, see, when I was doing my preparing for my NEET PG, there was nothing like mentorship. There was nothing. There were only few YouTube channels, 2 or 3 YouTube channels, which were actually telling students by regularly uploading videos like how to go ahead. Okay. But then I realized that when I started this YouTube channel in 2023, I realized that there was so much scope beyond, because students were actually facing difficulty and there was no proper mentor to guide them. I was one of the first person who started this mentorship session 3 years ago. Okay, actually, sorry, 1.5 years ago. So I started with the individual weekly sessions, because during that time I was in residency, and this continued. Say for example, I had weekly sessions for NEET PG 2025. Okay, 2024, and I had started this weekly sessions. Okay, initially we had weekly sessions, which then I converted into daily sessions for NEET PG 2026. Okay, for NEET PG 2025 I had all these weekly sessions, and for NEET PG 2026 from November, that is I think somewhere over here, yes, from November 20 onwards, that is from today, it's almost like 5 to 6 months back, I started with this live mentorship, which was on YouTube basically, and it was daily. So you can see day 2, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8. So it was daily except on Sundays. Rest all days it was there. Okay, and it was only specific to members only, those who joined, and still it is continuing. So today, currently, when I'm live streaming this, yesterday I had uploaded day 175, and today is day 176. Okay, so it is going on. Along with that, for last inicet also I had released a mentorship batch, and we had released total 55 days of last final revision for inicet, and then I had lot of demand from students to hold a similar revision batch for NEET PG, because first 3 days still okay, but many students go off track during revision. So then I realized that I should conduct a similar mentorship for NEET PG students also, NEET PG revision batch. Okay, so how this like goes on, how this live session goes on, I'll just show you. Okay, I'll just show you a glimpse. Okay, so I'll just play this video, which is actually available live on my website right now. The name of the video is day 144. Okay, so this was uploaded last month. So this was a live video. Okay, so there will be like initially there will be like schedule like this. Okay,
many questions are being asked, like for example pneumothorax, many questions come. Okay,
so you're seeing, right, first I'm discussing which are the important topics that are being asked. Okay, so most important topics that are being asked, what is the daily schedule, how it should look like. So this is basically the daily schedule that will look like. Okay, this is for a particular batch. I think it was for the old batch who wanted to go through medicine, and this was how daily schedule is. Okay, yes, this is for the extended batch. Sorry, on April 11th, this was the schedule for extended batch. First we'll have a discussion for around 5 to 10 minutes for various batches, and then there will be doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so this was the doubt clearing session.
Are you working currently or have you left the job?
No, I am working currently, but
so this is how I usually interact with each and every person who is part of this mentorship program, and then daily advice will be given for them. And so like we had around like at one point of time, because it's a monthly based subscription, so we had at one point of time around 250 to 300 members also at one point of time. Okay, so after that, since inicet came, the batches got split. One batch separately went for inicet preparation, and one continued with NEET PG. So I'm trying to unify all for NEET PG revision. The batches which are currently going on ahead with my mentorship, they'll continue for NEET PG as batch A, and those batches who are yet to start now, that is who are yet to join, new people, they will be batch B, and batch B registration will be starting from today onwards. Link is in the comment section, so please go to the comment section. In the pinned comments there will be link, and kindly join the revision batch. You have different kinds of monthly or 3 monthly till NEET PG, whatever you want you can choose. If you choose till NEET PG, you will get, I think, extra some discount something, because you are subscribing for direct 3 months. If it is monthly, you can also just check for 1 month and you can see if it works for you. If not, you can then just leave it. Okay, so what are included in this mentorship session is very important. So we'll start on May 18th till August 30. Okay, now it will be total 3.5 months till August 30. So it will include total 3 revisions. We'll be assuming that your first read is complete and then you're going ahead with revision. Now there will be some students whose first read is half complete, so those also, for those people also, whichever topic is half completed, no, that will be covering in revision only. Okay, there won't be any separate first read, it will be considered as a parcel of revision only. So we'll have total 3 revisions. First revision will be from May 18 till July 15th, because most of the students wouldn't have done their first read properly, or they would require some time, because your first read was for around 4 to 5 months and you can't give one more read in just 30 days. Okay, so first read will be for around 55 days minus the GT days, okay, which we are conducting every 10 days. Then second read will be from second revision will be from July 15th till August 15th, and the final revision will be from August 15th till August 30, okay, August 29th. So we will be giving total 3 revisions during this course of time. Now daily what you have to do, no, that everything timetable will be given. Okay, there will be a timetable which will be shared priorly, and after that there will be a live session. So let's say for tomorrow is May 14th, let's say, for example, okay, tomorrow is May 14th. So entire day's schedule will be given to you, and that will be common schedule for everyone. And in that 2 hours, okay, this is specific for this batch, 2 hours will be dedicated for backlogs only. Now during this backlogs, you will be given a choice. You can either go to your prior backlogs and you can complete things which you had not completed earlier, or if you had, let's say, joined the batch, let's say you joined somewhere during June. So now this June, people who have joined in June, no, they can actually cover their 1 month of backlogs in this extra 2 hours that are available daily. For those people who don't have this extra time, who don't have backlogs, they can go ahead with extra custom modules, which also I'll be telling what custom modules to do. Okay, so I'll make sure that you complete your 3 revisions no matter when you join mentorship. Even if you join 2 months later also, I'll make sure that you complete things, because this I have been doing this for NEET PG 2026 preparation for the 3 batches which I have had so far. From November 20, I had total 3 batches, and I made sure that everyone completes their topics on time. And believe me, some people had joined 2 to 3 months late also, still they had completed their targets by May 15. So currently the 3 batches, that is old batch, new batch and extended batch, all 3 had sufficient time to cover their extra backlogs also. Next, there will be all these schedules sharing, everything will be over Telegram only. There won't be any WhatsApp group. There will be only single Telegram group and one Telegram discussion group. Okay. Third thing, there will be daily Zoom sessions, and these sessions link will be shared. So those who are Telegram members and those who have went through the process of registration, only they will get this daily Zoom live sessions. Okay. So in that Zoom live session, first, as I told, as I showed just now, so first we'll be discussing next day's target. We'll be discussing what was left out on individual basis, and we'll also discuss what can be done to cover. Let's say, for example, your topic was thorax from anatomy and you are not able to complete it. So I'll be telling you exactly what you should do, whether you should complete it now or whether you should complete it later, or when you should keep it. Everything I'll be discussing. Now you'll be having some doubts also, like some of you will be having, sir, I have done this topic from rapid revision, some topics from BTR, so can I compensate it? Can I start to use some other sources? So all those doubts will be covered in the same Zoom live session only. There will be GT related, once every 10 days there will be GT, so that related discussion will also be done over Zoom session only. Okay, and it will be a more of direct live interaction, and there will be separate backlogs also, and anyone can join anytime. Okay, and it is just at a reasonable cost only. It doesn't exceed, it's around rupees 20 per day. Okay, so I don't think that's a very big amount for you guys who are purchasing 30,000, 40,000 coaching institute platform, which I don't think if you are currently using or not. Okay, so you can just scan the QR code over here, and you can just go through the comments, the review that I get over this live sessions. Okay, you can see how good this reviews are. Okay, so how much it is helpful to students. So if you are a student who has this accountability issue, okay, who has has accountability issue, or who is not able to do things on time, needs someone to constantly guide you, needs someone at every step to guide you. You want a daily schedule because you can't make a proper schedule, you want an experienced guidance, then those are the students who should go ahead for it. And I'll make sure that you complete all 3 revisions, because I have been doing this for last 2 years, so I have that experience, I have that technique, I know how to make students learn. Okay, so if you still want to discuss on this, or if you just want a one-to-one session, you can also have a one-to-one consultation. Details are available in the description. And there's also a batch currently going on for NEET PG 2027, which will also start from May 15. Okay, that is basically from May 16 we are going to start. So for this, registration will be separate. Okay, so anything which you want, you can go ahead with. So all the best and make use of it, because you won't have such an opportunity later on for such a nominal fee. Thank you.